All right, I actually enjoyed looking outside today because it was like every time it was something different, and now it's just great out there.
But you didn't get to go outside, I take it. You were just staring out the window.
I had to work.
Some
Keith.
script.
We did.
Some script brainstorming.
Good.
Correct.
Good.
Out on the weather deck.
Working.
So that was
Yeah.
nice.
How about the cushions? Someone's got to bring those cushions
Soggy.
in.
I know, they're
Yeah.
very soggy. Come on, guys.
Yeah, you can do that.
Team
That's
effort
what I
here.
did. I thought I was really doing some good work. I dried them out last time, and
Thank
then
you.
it
Good
rained
for
again, and no one brought them in. I was like, all right.
What a gentleman.
We'll put that
I
in the
take
next-
back everything
You
I've
just
said
set up
about
a
you.
passive-aggressive sticky note somewhere.
Yeah. Please put these in when it's raining. I guess that should be my job if you think about it. All right, we got some showers and storms out there across northern Maine, but most of us have cleared out. A couple of pop-up ones into the mid-coast too, but the story's been from cloudy and dreary and showery to beautiful. Depending on your location, it took half the day. Some areas it took a little bit more, and you can see the down east Maine is the last spot hanging on to some clouds, but even they should get it done. It's not even 5 yet. Sunset's past 8, so they'll get some late clearing there. Those of us, especially over western Maine and New Hampshire, that cleared out early, just skyrocketed those temperatures into the mid-80s very quickly. It's not hard to do this time of the year if you can get some sun. Our air mass is actually fairly mild. It's just the clouds have been a big issue for us. So the rest of this afternoon looks good. Tonight looks good too. Temperatures in the 60s to around 70 degrees. It is sticky out there. And then tomorrow is the kind of that classic summer day. I said it was a perfect summer day. Not everyone's into this level of heat. We haven't had a lot of it this summer though, so I think that should offset some of the complaints. A chance at 90 along the coastline. We'll talk about that in a second, but definitely upper 80s are widespread. An isolated shower is possible. There aren't many of them, especially on the small scale models that tend to do a better job figuring out how many thunderstorms we're talking about here. And then Thursday's not quite as beautiful of a day. There's more clouds around, but it's still pretty decent. Upper 70s to around 80 depending on your location. Mostly dry with just a pop-up shower or a thunderstorm before a front moves through on Friday. So I put Portland at 90. I think we have a chance of getting that done, especially since we're starting so mild in the morning. 89 in Bangor, 90 in Augusta. The dew points will make it feel like the low 90s pretty easily almost everywhere. And then a front comes through on Friday. The models disagree a bit on, are we talking Friday morning or Friday afternoon? I think it's probably more like the middle of the day to the early afternoon that these storms come through. Unfortunately, especially for Vermont and parts of New Hampshire, we're looking at downpour possibilities again here on Friday night, so we'll keep an eye on that. And then our weekend hinges on how far can we get that front offshore. One model gives us a good weekend, the other doesn't. And I hate to say it, but the trend would suggest that the negative one will be more accurate because we've had a hard time getting rid of those fronts in time. But enjoy the intervening days, which shall be, in my opinion, pleasant. I know, Sammy, that you don't like it this warm, and you are the majority here in this state. But also, if we get 90, it'll be the first one of the season in Portland.
Listen, as long as it stays away from that oppressive,
yeah,
I'll be okay.
I mean, 90 over
I'll be
68 is pretty. It's gonna be
tough.
It's gonna be legit.
I want like 80's good.
Yeah.
80's good.
Then Thursday's
85 is like
Thursday's
too
your
much.
day then. But tomorrow it's Coco and I are gonna be out there with the
Reflectors,
reflective
yeah.
thing on that wet
right,
sun deck
cool.
or not. We're out there.